As you can see in the background, I am in this Honda Big Wing showroom in Bengaluru. Baba, he is my friend Baba, and he is here to take the delivery of the new Honda CB350. Baba, full josh.
Yeah.
See, tell
This is
me.
my second bike.
Second bike, Allah.
Yeah. After Dominar.
He has already won Dominar 400.
For
He sold it.
2.5 years I rode that bike.
He is a traveler. He does a lot of touring, by the way.
Yeah.
He is buying this bike for what reason?
Just to tour and cruise,
Go on long rides,
go
right?
on long rides with Madhu.
I'll be joining him. You are aware.
Doing, together so many videos.
Let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
By the way, my Duke 790 is still lying in the garage. I'm facing some issues. I will make a separate video on that. Probably in this week, the issues might get resolved and I will get my Duke 790 back and we can go on some long rides. However, I'm also looking for one budget affordable bike in 300 to 500cc segment. If you have watched my previous video, you're aware I have been uploading a lot of review videos on Royal Enfield bikes, this bike, Java bike, so many other bikes in the market. Tell me one thing, what is the major reason to buy this Honda CB350? There were other couple of options, right? Royal Enfield, Meteor, Java, and Himalaya. Adventure 250 has been launched.
Yeah.
So why did you buy this bike? What's the major catch point?
Major is the Honda's refinement and the engine. I like the smoothness of the bike, especially, and comfort, riding dynamics, everything.
You like the overall look of the bike as well, right?
Overall look of the bike.
So it looks premium,
Yeah.
right? And that exhaust note is awesome.
So earlier, as a Dominar owner, Dominar had a lot of refinement issues. I mean vibrations, higher speeds. So I didn't find anything in this. Not even like even small vibrations.
No,
Tiny
zero vibration.
Zero vibration.
Zero vibration. Even I have written it, but I have not touched the top speed. Congratulations, Baba.
Thank
all
you.
the very best for all your rides. So, Baba, are you planning to install any accessories to this?
Just the crash guard and the engine protective.
Do you have any plans to install the rack to put the top box for saddle, stand and all?
The accessories available. If I'm planning for a long ride, then we'll definitely do it.
Okay. So basically you have selected black color.
Pitch black.
Pitch black. Okay.
Without any graphics.
This one. Let me show.
So much to the poltergeist. Trying to hold on to love, but it's frost and nice time. Much but a light from a falling sky. Present time.
He has come all the way from Anantapura.
Yeah.
Anantapura ellirodu?
So it's around
AP.
200 kilometers from here.
Nearby to AP. AP
Yeah, in AP.
So basically there are no Honda Big Wing showrooms out there in Anantapura.
Yeah.
There is one showroom that's there in which city?
Visakhapatnam.
So it's around how many kilometers?
1200.
1200.
Yeah.
Big Wing illa ali?
No big thing.
Okay, that is the reason why.
1000 kilometers around from my place.
Okay.
So I came, it's too close by to me, and I got the registration also done from here registration.
All the best.
Thank you.
Once again, congratulations. And I wish you all the best for your new journey with this new bike.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. You will see me in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Look at this huge bike, Africa Twin. This is available for test ride. Since I am planning for an adventure bike, let me ride it once and share my riding experience in a separate video. Let's see how it goes. Bike is anta? Ivattina delivery. Whenever I open the camera, he becomes conscious. He becomes a different person.
Camera sickness.
Camera shyness.
Shyness, whatever.
Phobia.
Inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a foreign sky, blind to the forces above this life.